Hello friends, today we are going to solve question 41 of SOM series. If you have not watched my earlier video, then go in the description and you can watch my earlier videos there. And before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on area, that is how to find area, that is part 2 of SOM series. The link you can get in the description. So today we will discuss question 41, but in our last section we discussed question 40, that is this question we discussed. So this is question was a tricky question. So if you want to say this question, you can find the link in the description, and this is very important question as an exam point of view, so you can watch this question. So in our last section we discussed this question, and today we will discuss question 41. So the question is, find the area of the region bounded by y is equal to x cube minus 3x and y is equal to x. It's easier question as compared to our last question. So let's solve it. So in such question, for first step is to draw the diagram. So before that, let's find the intersecting point. So putting y is equal to 0, we get x cube minus 3x is equal to 0. Taking x common, we get x square minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to plus or minus root 3. So when we will take x square is equal to 3, so taking root, we will get x is equal to plus or minus root 3. So this is x is equal to 0, this is x is equal to root 3, this is x is equal to minus root 3. If you don't know the value of root 3, then also you can plot, so it will be somewhere here. But I think basically make student know the value of root 3, that is 1.73. So it will be between 1 and 2. So it will be here. Now we can see the coefficient before x cube is positive, and whenever it's positive, its graph is like this, somewhat like this. It is like this. And if you have doubt how I had drawn this, you can put the value and you can check. So how you can check this will be positive? Put x is equal to minus 1, so it will get minus and this will get positive. So 1, let x is equal to 1, so 1 plus 3, so it will be 4. So this way you can check the how the curve will face. Now we have given another curve, y is equal to x. So y is equal to x curve will be like this. So our region we have to find is this one and this one, that is the region between y is equal to x cube minus 3x and y is equal to x. So we have to find this area. So for that we have to find the intersecting point. Here both the places we will require the intersecting point. So for that, let equate both the equation. Let put here a x. So we get x is equal to x cube minus 3x. So x cube, bring this x this side, we get x cube minus 4x is equal to 0. Taking x common, we get x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 0 and this will be x square is equal to 4, so x is equal to plus or minus 2. So our this point is 2, this point will be minus 2 and this is 0. At 3 point it is intersecting, we can see that. So here we have find the value of x. Let's divide this into 2 parts, because that will be easier to find the area. So we know that area is equal to double integration 1 into dy dx, because we have find the limit of x. So first take x belongs to from minus 2 to 0, and for second let's take x belongs to 0 to 2, and it's dy dx. Whenever it's dy dx, we draw the vertical line. So here it's entering from y is equal to x and it's leaving from y is equal to x cube minus 3x, and here it's entering from y is equal to x cube minus 3x, and it's leaving from y is equal to x. So let's divide area into two parts. So we get area is equal to integration from minus 2 to 0. Here it's entering from y is equal to x, leaving from y is equal to x cube minus 3x into 1 into dy dx, plus second is x is from 0 to 2 and y is equal to x cube minus 3x and y is equal to x 1 into dy dx. Now solving this, we get area is equal to integration from minus 2 to 0 and integration of 1 with respect to dy is y. So I have written in many steps, so here I can write directly y, so upper limit minus lower limit. So I will get x cube minus 3x minus x into dx plus integration from 0 to 2. Here is also going to be y, so upper limit is x minus lower limit, minus minus will get plus, so it will be 3x into dx. So solving this, we get area is equal to integration from minus 2 to 0 x cube minus 3 minus 1 minus 4x into dx plus integration from 0 to 2 minus x cube 3 plus 1 4 plus 4x into dx. Now we have to just solve this equation. So area is equal to integrate this term with respect to x, so we get x raised to 4 by 4 minus 4x square by 2, limit are from minus 2 to 0, plus integrate this term, so we get minus x raised to 4 by 4 plus 4x square by 2, limit are from 0 to 2. Now put the limit. Here when we put the limit, we will get 0, it's going to be 0 only. Upper limit minus lower limit. So when we will put minus 2 raised to 4, so it will be 2 raised to 4 by 4 minus, here it will be get 2 and minus 2 square. Now here put upper limit, so we get minus 2 raised to 4 by 4 plus 2 into 2 square. When we will put 0, it is going to be 0. So now solving this, we get 2 raised to 4. So we can write 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So minus 4. And here it will be positive. 2 square 4. 4 into 2 minus 8. Plus here it will be again 4. But here minus side is ahead. So minus 4. And here it is going to be again 8. Now taking minus side inside, we get minus 4 plus 8. And here minus 4 plus 8. By solving this, we get 4. By solving this, we get plus 4. That is equal to 8. So 8 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. Final answer is 8. So this question was easier. We just need to draw the diagram. So after that the work is easy. So I hope you understood.